This is the current situation after doing the grocery shopping. Mag-aayos ng mga binili. I didn't vlog too much sa grocery store kasi I'm actually using my phone kasi ni-notes ko talaga yung mga kailangan kong bilihin here. Ayoko kasi mag-overspend na kukunin mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo naman kakailangan. That's the reason. Before I do grocery shopping, I always make sure na talagang nilalagay ko lahat sa notes ko kung ano yung kailangan kong bilhin. And, you guys, I found sushi sa Pure Gold. So, let's try kung okay siya. Then, I actually found something. Are you guys familiar with these juices? Ito yung mga nakikita ko sa TikTok, sa 7-Eleven ng Japan and Korea. So, we should try it. Pero feeling ko mas feel ko to kung meron akong sariling, alam mo yun, yung lagayan na cup. Disposable cup. Yung talagang may mga ice. Something, ganyan. Okay, let's do a haul. First thing first, I got myself pet chai. Yes, because we need gulay. I also got banana, noodle, cabbage. I also got here chicken meat. I also got pala mixed vegetables. Masarap kasi ito pag ilalagay natin sa fried rice. Yeah, I also found a long box set body wash doon. Nakash lang yung attention ko because of the color. Tapos meron na siyang kasamang, do you call this one? Scrub, something. And let's try. I also got myself some delight. I also got here flour kasi pag gumagawa ako ng mga chicken, I mean yung mga fried something, kailangan ko ng flour. Filipino style tomato sauce. Sugar. Ito yung kinukuha namin sugar dito kasi hindi siya ganun katamis. And carrots. Ito yung mahal ng carrots. Alam mo, 2 pieces lang. Nasa 40 something na. I also got dilatas kapag tinatamad tayo magluto. Nalagyan mo na lang siya doon. Ganun. All-purpose cream and condensed. Planning to cook spaghetti later. Of course, my unusual breakfast. Kapag, alam mo yun, feeling ko gusto ko mag-diet, something like that. Ito yung kinakain ko tapos nagbe-bread na ako sa umaga. Bago ako pumunta sa work. Butter, because sometimes, mas better yung lasa ng food kung butter yung gagamitin natin than usual na mantika. My wipes, chocolates, pepper. And I also got myself collagen mask. And this is my on-the-go candy. You guys must try this, especially kung meron kang ubo. And this one, it's a cream roll. This is actually one of my favorite snack. Nung panahong college pa ako, tapos nag-grocery yung parents ko, kumukuha ko ng ganito, iba't ibang klaseng flavor nito. And my gummies. I also got myself couches na wafer. And, random lang, kumuha lang ako ng powder kasi naalala ko nung high school ako yung amoy nito. Parang gusto ko ulit siya maamoy. Ano ba naman ito? Okay. Kumuha din ako ng perfume. I actually have perfume pa naman dito. Pero alam mo yung parang ginagamit ko lang pag pauwi na ako ng work, ganyan. Siyempre, nagkukumute ako. Kailangan mabuo tayo sa baka. And lotion. And I found this facial wash sa grocery store. Nakatanggal daw siya ng oil and pores. So, let's try it. That's all, guys. Bye.